Okay, so let's get into it. You've definitely been there. You're sitting in a bar, maybe an airport lounge, and there's a whole wall of TVs, all of them silent.
Right. And you're trying to watch the game or the news, but you can't hear a thing.
Exactly. It's that shared frustration. But it looks like that's finally being solved by a pretty big shift in, of all things, Bluetooth technology.
A really fundamental shift.
So today we're doing a deep dive on a specific piece of hardware. It's the Aurora Multimedia BT-AC1. It's a USB dongle for their VPX series.
And through that, we're really going to unpack this whole concept of Auracast.
Yeah, our mission here is to see how this one accessory sort of unlocks mass audio and what that means for you. Because the key is we're moving past that old, one-to-one Bluetooth pairing.
The painful process of trying to connect just one device.
Right. Instead, we're talking about broadcasting from one screen to literally thousands of phones or earbuds all at once.
And what's really clever here is how it plugs into systems that, well, that already exist. We should probably define a couple of things real quick.
Yeah, let's do it.
First is AV over IP. It's a fancy way of saying audio and video sent over a standard computer network. It's already in airports, stadiums, big venues.
So the BT-AC1 dongle just plugs into that network that's already there.
Exactly. And the second thing, which is the main event, is Auracast.
Okay, so what is Auracast exactly?
Well, it's a feature of the newer Bluetooth standard, LE audio, or low-energy audio. At its core, it just lets one source send audio to many, many receivers, a broadcast.
And this works with, what, any new phone?
Pretty much any modern device, anything with Bluetooth 5.2 or higher. And the specs are they're wild. The signal can go up to an impressive 100 meters.
100 meters? That's a football field.
Basically. And it's not just the range, it's the scale. We are talking about broadcasting to thousands of different devices simultaneously.
But wait, how do you keep that all in sync? I mean, with thousands of people listening, wouldn't you get a horrible delay or echo, especially over that kind of distance?
That's the engineering breakthrough. It's not like old Bluetooth, which had to, negotiate a private little connection.
Right.
LE audio broadcast is designed for this. It sends it all out at once, so the person right in front of the screen and the person 100 meters away hear it at the exact same time. The audio stays perfectly locked to the video.
Okay, so let's go back to that noisy restaurant with 4 different sports games on. This tech lets you just choose which game you want to listen to on your own earbuds.
That's it, exactly. You're in control. You basically become the editor of your own audio environment.
That's huge.
And it goes way beyond just convenience. When you think about the critical applications, the why it matters becomes enormous.
Like what?
Think about accessibility. It's perfect for hearing assistance. The audio can stream directly into compatible hearing aids. No extra hardware needed.
Wow.
And what about language translations? In a museum or at an international conference, you can just select your language and get a direct feed.
So we've gone from fighting to connect one pair of headphones to just effortlessly choosing from multiple audio streams in a huge public space.
Yeah.
All with a little USB dongle plugged into the network.
Exactly. It's democratizing audio access.
It makes you think, though. If this tech gives us that much power, a 100-meter range, thousands of connections, what new services could pop up?
That's the provocative thought, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go beyond just privacy or translation.
Yeah.
Could you have like a silent historical walking tour where commentary tracks are broadcast only in specific spots? Or what about in a supermarket? Hyper-local ads that only play when you're standing in the cereal aisle. What new businesses, what new industries does mass personalized audio actually create?